In example 8, we're looking at writing each power as a radical and then evaluating. So for A, we have negative 64 to the power of 2 over 3. We would write that as the cube root of negative 64, because the negative is part of the base, squared. The cube root of negative 64 is negative 4, and negative 4 squared is 16. For B, we're going to have negative the square root of 49 cubed. And you'll notice that this time I didn't write the 2 in for the index. Whenever you just have this symbol without the index listed, we always assume it's a square root, that the index is 2. The square root of 49 is 7, and 7 cubed is 343. Over here again, the negative is not part of the base, it's in front. So we have our negative sign, and then we have 0.36 to the power of 3 over 2, because 1.5 is the same as 3 over 2 when written as a fraction. That gives us the square root of 0.36 cubed, which is the square root of 36 over 100 cubed, which is the square root of 6 over 10 cubed, negative 3 over 5 cubed, which is equal to negative 27 over 125. We keep our negative out front. For example D, we have negative 25 over 36 to the power of 3 over 2, sorry. So we work this out the same way. We have negative the square root of 25 over 36. Put our brackets in, and it's cubed. The square root of 25 is 5. The square root of 36 is 6. We have negative 125 over 216. For E, our negative is not part of the base. This time we have the cube root of 125 squared, because our denominator is our index, which is 3. Our cube root of 125 is 5, and 5 squared is 25, and our negative stays in front the entire way, so our answer is negative 25. Here our negative is part of the base, so we're going to find the square root of negative 16 to the power of 1, and again, this one is impossible, because we can't find the square root of a negative number.